Respected viewers, kindly subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and do not forget to like the video. Hello students, welcome to history class. I am your history teacher. Students, in the last lecture we have completed the lesson number 2, sources of history. In this lecture we are going to see the question and answers of this lesson, which will help you to understand the content more deeply. Points to remember. Students, let's go through these points. Question number 1. Complete the sentence by choosing the correct option. 1. A number of objects used by our ancestors still dash. Options are exist, diminish, exhausted. Answer. A number of objects used by our ancestors still exist. Second, dash can also be learned through custom and traditions, folk arts, folk literature as well as historical documents. Options are science, history, astrology. Answer. History can also be learned through customs and traditions, folk art, folk literature as well as historical documents. Third, dash used by human in the past provide us valuable information about life in the ancient times. Options are clothes, cows, artifacts. Answer. Artifacts used by human in the past provide us valuable information about life in the ancient time. Fourth, the ornaments and other artifacts throw light on dash interaction. Options: political, social, historical. Answer. The ornaments and other artifacts throw light on social interaction. Fifth, we get information about the dash of the people from the remains of food grain, seeds and bones of animals found in excavation. Options are diet, health, illness. Answer. We get information about the diet of the people from the remains of food grain, seeds and bones of animals found in excavation. Sixth, the artifacts, articles, monuments or their ruins are called the dash sources of history. Options are oral, written, material. Answer. Artifacts, articles, monuments or their ruins are called the material sources of history. 7th, the Stone Age people have recorded many events and expressed their dash in paintings on rocks. Options are emotions, opinion, views. Answer. The Stone Age people have recorded many events and expressed their emotions in paintings on rocks. 8th, in the beginning man wrote on portraits, unbaked bricks using dash objects. Option: blunt, pointed, zigzag. Answer. In the beginning man wrote on portraits, unbaked bricks using pointed objects. 9th, man began to record the dash that took place around him. Options are competition, points, events. Answer. Man began to record the events that took place around him. 10th, many rulers had their orders, judicial decisions, donations, etc. inscribed on stone or dash. Options are gold plates, copper plates, press plates. Answer. Many rulers had their orders, judicial decisions, donations, etc. inscribed on stone or copper plates. Dash means writing sheets made from the bark of a birch tree. Options are Bhurjapatra, paper, Book. Answer. Bhurjapatra means writing sheets made from the bark of a birch tree. 12th. Birch tree are found in dash. Options are Jammu, Delhi, Kashmir. Answer. Birch tree are found in Kashmir. 13. We learn about the Stone Age period of Indian history through dash excavations. Options are physical, archaeological, astrological. Answer. We learn about the Stone Age period of Indian history through archaeological excavations. 14. In the beginning, the Vedas were not in the dash form. Options: oral, written, material. Answer. In the beginning, the Vedas were not in the written form. 15th. The Vedas and the post-Vedic literature from an dash sources of ancient Indian history. Options are important, unimportant, written. Answer. The Vedas and post-Vedic literature from an important source of ancient Indian history. Question number 2. Answer in one sentence. First. In the past, what material were used for writing? Answer. In the past, material like pottery, unbaked bricks, bark of birch trees and copper plates were used for writing. Second. What information is obtained from Vedic literature? Answer. We come to know of life of man and ancient Indian history from the Vedic literature. Third, which literature is preserved by oral tradition? Answer. Ovis, folk songs, folk tales and similar literature is preserved by oral tradition. Fourth, what are sources of history? Answer. History can be learnt through customs and traditions, folk arts, folk literature as well as historical documents. All these are known as sources of history. Fifth, how are artifacts useful? Answer. Artifacts are useful as they provide us with valuable information about life in the ancient times. Sixth, what are artifacts? Answer. Things used by man in his day-to-day life known as artifacts. Seventh, what throw light on the social interaction of ancient man? Answer. The ornaments and other artifacts throw light on the social interaction of ancient man. Eighth, how do we get information about the diet of the ancient people? Answer. We get information about the diet of ancient people from the remains of the food grain, seeds and bones of animal found in excavation. Question number 3. Answer the following questions in short. 1. Write a short note on written sources of history. Answer. Man began to record the events that took place around him. Over a period of time, many forms of literature developed, like books on religious and social subjects, plays, poetry, travelogues, and scientific works. All this literature helps us to understand the history of various historical periods. 3. What should the precautions to be taken while writing history? Answer. Written documents cannot be said to be authentic just because it is old. It needs to be examined critically as to who wrote it, why and when it was written. The conclusions drawn on the basis of various genuine documents have to be cross-checked and corroborated with one another. Such a critical analysis is very important in writing authentic history. Homework. Write down the given question answers